Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. Today's reading is going to be different, Pisces. I'll be picking cards for those who are in a connection first. So these cards are for that, and for those who are single, guys. So we will start with this card for those who are in a relationship. So we have Six of Fire, Ten of Air, and High Priestess. So for those who are in a connection in this relationship, maybe today you are thinking what is the right way to proceed. Maybe you want to change the way you are, change the way you are beginning behaving, guys. So maybe because the reasons may be because some kind of secrets are being revealed to you today, guys. Maybe about this person, about what they feel, or what where this connection is going. So some kind of knowledge you have today, guys, Pisces. So some clarity you have today, something is giving you the thought that you need to change the way you think and the way you act in this love, in this connection, guys. And there may be someone influencing your thoughts, maybe your friend or someone from your family, or you may be taking their guidance. So you are quite confused today, guys, what you need to do. Maybe this connection is moving to some kind of situation you are unable to cope up, and this person you are in connection with, they are moving away from you, guys. So you feel really stressed and sad, and there is something you have learned about them, the reason for them moving away. So again, that is just proving their point. So you are really stressed and you are quite emotional. That may be the reason that you are talking to people, someone, your friend or someone from your family is helping you today, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see for those who are in a connection, guys, Pisces. So let's see what are the cards for those who are single. So we have World, Temptation, and Moon. So for those who are single, guys, in this uh, today, you are tempted to do some things. Maybe you are focused on someone too much. It may be your past person, or it may be today, it may be your interest in someone. So you are too possessed of their thoughts or of what you need to do. So that is simply blocking the reality for you. So you are thinking about them all the time, maybe, guys, and you need to change the way you are today, guys, if you want that true love to reach you. So there is someone interested in you coming towards you, but your blind love or your possessive love is blocking the way, guys, Pisces. So that is the reason you are still single. So your obsession has to change, guys. that may be the reason that someone is not able to reach you. So you don't see them as a love interest, you don't recognize their presence even. So you are obsessed in your thoughts. So that is what I see, guys. Pisces, for those who are single, if you want more clarity in your situation, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be like a pick a card. So, this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. So, you can meditate for a few seconds in silence, then close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, your first card. Let's see what it is. Commitment, such a beautiful card here for you all today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So this energy with this card is that sometimes we stop seeing life as it is, that is there each and every moment right before us, guys, engaging us, and we can become careless sometimes. We do not what to say, have that attention for how things are going, and we do so many things, we force um, certain circumstances or certain things that need not be forced, because when we do that we are emotionally struggling, and in our heart of hearts uh, we will be troubled, and this can make our way seem uncertain, and doubts will crowd upon our heart. So we will be doubtful whether what we expect is going to come towards us or not. So we need to trust in the universe, guys, and give up the fear surrounding our desires. So we should allow life to move us, not we should not try moving life. So that is the way forward in the life path. So that is what needs to be seen by you right now with this card, guys. You need to have that clarity, that certainty. So you should not doubt what you're feeling right now. Maybe that is true. Maybe deep in your heart you may have certain thoughts. So that is the truth and it is real. And you are being led in that particular way. Maybe in your heart of hearts you know certain things, and you may have you may incline towards that path or towards that action. When that happens, you have to go for it, guys. So today you just simply need to take each step at a time and live in the present moment. When you do that, you will have so much peace, stillness, happiness in your heart, guys. So that is the guidance with this card, this Rumi oracle card, guys, and it comes with a few lines of poetry. So I will read the poetry and I will end the reading for this card. The awakened heart is like a lantern. Keep it sheltered from the turbulence of the winds of desire. Rumi. So that is the poetry, guys. So let's see. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. So we will start with the second card for those who have chosen this card. We will see what it is. It is Kyanite, that is the oracle spirit, the crystal spirit for you all today, guys. And this crystal, it stands for resolving disputes, having that diplomacy and restoring harmony in our situation, mending the fences and building bridges. So, this is an excellent time for us to fix all that sore notes that have appeared in our relationship, in our life, resolving any disputes and healing any rifts once and for all. So, we can have our own way, and we will gain tremendous support when we let go of our rigid my way or the highway attitude. So sometimes we have to recognize that we are all imperfect. So no need to worry about that. And when we tune into others, try to work with other people in our life, we work towards harmony. So we are all, though we are all imperfect, we should have that fairness towards the people we are in relationship with, guys, or in our family. So love and commitment to fairness is what is going to heal us today, and that is what is this oracle's guidance. So we have to go for that healing energy today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.